Do you still find it difficult to tell the difference between ni은 and 디귿 sounds or mium and bi읍 sounds? But soon after, you'd be surprised how easy it is to distinguish whether it's ni은 or 디귿 or mium or bi읍. I'm David Kim, who helps you learn Korean, and you are awesome. Firstly, let's talk about how to tell the difference between mium and bi읍 sounds. In order to distinguish which sound is which, you need to know how to pronounce it properly. So let's delve into how to pronounce mium and bi읍 sounds properly but easily. Let's go with mium first. Step 1. Close your lips. Please note that you don't close your lips overly strong. Just close your lips lightly. Step 2. Let the air flow through your nose. It's easy if you think it's like making a nasal sound. Step 3. Open your lips lightly. This is the mium sound Korean native speakers make. The point here is sending air towards your nose when making the mium sound. It's perfectly okay if you don't understand this. When you reach the latter part of this video, you'll know what I said. So let's move on to how to pronounce bi읍 properly this time. Step 1. Close your lips. Close your lips lightly like the way we did when making the mium sound. Step 2. Let the air flow through your mouth. B, b, b. This is the point you need to focus on. You should send air towards your mouth, unlike when you make the mium sound. If you do so, you can hear a burst of air like a plosive sound at your lips, because air wants to come out of your mouth. B, b, b. Please keep this in your mind, for this difference is critical to telling the difference between mium and bi읍 sounds. Listen carefully, focusing on the popping explosive sound. M, m, b, b, m, b. Can you hear the difference? It's fine if you can't. I'll guide you through some repetition. In case you might wonder, I'll make another video covering how to tell the difference between bi읍 and pi읍 sounds. So I hope you focus on the difference between mium and bi읍 sounds as for in this video. So let's practice through listening some words so that you become able to tell which sound is which. 물, 불, 말, 발, 문, 분, 몸, 봄, 목, 복, 무리, 부리, 미리, 비리, 모자, 보자, 모험, 보험, 머리, 버리. This time, let's dive into how to tell the difference between ni은 and 디귿 sounds. Likewise, in order to distinguish which sound is which, you need to know how to pronounce it properly. So, let's delve into how to pronounce ni은 and 디귿 sounds properly, but easily. Let's go with ni은 first. Step 1. Place your tongue behind your front teeth. You're not supposed to press your tongue hard against it. Just place your tongue lightly without pressure. Step 2. Let the air flow through your nose. It's easy if you think it's like making a nasal sound. Step 3. Flick your tongue lightly. This is the ni은 sound Korean native speakers make. The point here is there's no air bursting or popping sound between your tongue and your front teeth. You'll understand what I mean after you hear how to pronounce 디귿. Let's move on to how to pronounce 디귿 properly this time. Step 1. Place your tongue behind your front teeth. Place your tongue lightly without pressure, just as you did when pronouncing ni은. Step 2. Let the air flow through your mouth. 드, 드, 드. This is the point. You should send air towards your mouth, unlike when you make the mium sound. If you do so, you can hear a popping explosive sound between your tongue and your front teeth, for your tongue flicking because the air wants to come out of your mouth. 드, 드, 드. Please keep this in your mind, for this difference is critical to telling the difference between ni은 and 디귿 sounds. Listen carefully, focusing on the popping sound. 느, 느, 드, 드. N, D. You can read the difference, right? You can't? Don't worry. Let's practice together through some repetition. As a side note, I'll make another video covering how to tell the difference between digut and tiut sounds. So I hope you focus on the difference between ni은 and digut sound, at least in this video. So this time, let's practice through listening so that you'll be able to tell which sound is ni은 and which one is digut. 너, 더, 나, 다, 날, 달, 논, 돈, 노래, 도래, 노랑, 도랑, 농부, 동부, 남다, 담다, 내면, 대면, 내장, 대장. By far, we've talked about how to tell the difference between 미음 and 비읍 sounds and 니은 and 디귿 sounds. So from now on, I want to ask you to guess which sound is which through a simple listening test. I'm going to read some sentences and there will be a blank in each sentence. So please guess which word should be after listening to my reading. 이건 물이에요. 이건 물이에요. 발이 아파서 신발을 새로 샀어요. 발이 아파서 신발을 새로 샀어요. 머리가 너무 길어서 잘랐어요. 머리가 너무 길어서 잘랐어요. 마지막까지 최선을 다하세요. 마지막까지 최선을 다하세요. 마음이 편해졌어요. 마음이 편해졌어요. 바다가 정말 예뻐요. 바다가 정말 예뻐요. 이건 보라색 옷이에요. 이건 보라색 옷이에요. 문을 열어주세요. 문을 열어주세요. 밀가루로 반죽을 만들었어요. 밀가루로 반죽을 만들었어요. 모자를 쓰고 밖에 나가세요. 모자를 쓰고 밖에 나가세요. 나는 내일 친구를 만날 거예요. 나는 내일 친구를 만날 거예요. 날씨가 더워서 에어컨을 켰어요. 날씨가 더워서 에어컨을 켰어요. 누가 너한테 그 말을 했어? 누가 너한테 그 말을 했어? 냉장고에 남은 음식이 많아요. 냉장고에 남은 음식이 많아요. 너무 늦었으니까 내일 다시 하자. 너무 늦었으니까 내일 다시 하자. 눈이 많이 내려서 길이 미끄러워요. 눈이 많이 내려서 길이 미끄러워요. 노란색 티셔츠를 샀어요. 노란색 티셔츠를 샀어요. 도시에는 높은 빌딩이 많아요. 도시에는 높은 빌딩이 많아요. 남자들은 축구를 좋아해요. 남자들은 축구를 좋아해요. 내가 널 도와줄게. 내가 널 도와줄게. Today, we've learned about how to tell the difference between 미음 and 비읍 sounds and 니은 and 디귿 sounds, which you get confused frequently. These sounds are one of the hardest sounds in Korean, especially for native English speakers. But it's a natural thing, so don't be frustrated by that. If you practice it just a few times, you'd be able to distinguish which sound is which more easily. And also, I'll upload a video about how to tell the difference between 기역, 디귿, 지읒, 비읍, and 키읔, 티읕, 치읓, 피읍 sounds. So please hit subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.